Hey guys, it's the one-armed at-home chef here. Today I'll be making a classic recipe, penne alla vodka with spicy sausage. This is a large recipe, however it does freeze well to make your weeknight dinners that much easier. Today we're going to get started with a 6-pound can of San Marzano Italian tomatoes, vodka, olive oil, Parmesan, Romano, minced shallots, garlic, butter, mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, crushed red pepper, and 2 pounds of bulk Italian sauce. We are going to begin today by heating a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat on the stovetop. Once your Dutch oven is hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that melt down now. Okay, once your butter is melted and sizzling, we're going to add 2 large minced shallots, as well as our seasoning. A tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of crushed red pepper, and a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to let that cook until it's softened, about 5 minutes. Once your shallots have softened, next add 10 cloves of minced garlic. We're going to let that cook until it just becomes fragrant. It's only going to take about a minute or so. Once your garlic becomes fragrant, add 3/4 of a cup of vodka. Now we're going to let this cook down until it reduces by half. In the meantime, pour your can of tomatoes into a large bowl and begin crushing by hand. The vodka reduces by half. Next, add your tomatoes. You're going to want to bring your tomatoes back to a full boil now. Once your sauce is at a full boil, reduce to a low simmer and cook for 40 minutes. Okay, our sauce has been cooking for about 35 to 40 minutes right now. Next, using an emulsion blender, we're going to blend those tomatoes down to a smooth consistency. Okay, once you get your sauce to a smooth, even consistency, next it's time to add your cheese. I'm going to be adding a 1/2 cup of Parmesan as well as a 1/2 cup of Romano cheese. Next, I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of mascarpone cheese. You're going to want to give that a good stir, and we're going to cook this on low for 10 minutes. We also can't forget the most important ingredient, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay, our sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Next, it's time to add the Italian sausage. Just look at that beautiful spicy Italian sausage. That's actually our own Italian sausage recipe. You can find that on YouTube as well as on our website at healthytohogwild.com. Now we're going to want to stir this in and cook this for about another 10 minutes or so, just to build a little flavor and blend everything together. And voila, penne alla vodka with spicy sausage. I'd like to thank everyone for joining me today, and I'd also like to ask everyone to please like and subscribe to our channel, as well as check out our website, healthytohogwildfood.com. Till next time, guys, keep on cooking.